And the last tip I got for you, last but certainly not least, because this one's really important, hit the ball at the right spot. And I mean two things when I say this, okay? Every single pitch location, whether it's inside, middle, away, up, down, whatever, every pitch location is gonna have a different contact point, and whether it's inside, middle, away, is gonna have a different area of the field where you ideally wanna hit that baseball, right? But you're really gonna struggle at the plate if, let's say, the pitcher throws you an inside pitch like this, and you allow that inside pitch to get way too deep on you like this, you're really gonna struggle as a hitter. And vice versa, you know, on an away pitch, if you're consistently making contact with away pitches instead of letting the ball travel and letting it get a little bit deeper, if you're consistently way out here like this on away pitches, obviously you're gonna struggle there, right? You're also gonna struggle if you try to take inside pitches to the way. So you wanna hit the ball where it's pitched. On an inside pitch, we're gonna hit that ball a little bit further out in front, and we wanna hit that ball to our pull side ideally. On a middle pitch, we're gonna let the ball travel a little bit longer, still hit it out in front of the plate, and we're gonna stay in the middle of the field. And on an away pitch, we're gonna let that ball travel still a little bit farther, okay? Still watch the ball and let it get a little bit deeper, still hitting it out in front. But on an away pitch, those are the ones that we drive with authority to the opposite field, okay? So every single pitch location, if it's inside pitch, pull it and hit it out front. If it's a middle pitch, stay in the middle of the field, hit it a little bit out in front of your front foot, and on an away pitch, let it travel a little bit and hit that ball to the opposite field. That's what you want to do ideally. And when you just get in the batter's box, brand new at bat, right? Start out with your mentality of, I'm staying gap to gap, middle of the field, baby. I'm staying gap to gap, and then adjust accordingly. Then hit the ball where it's pitched. If he throws you in, pull it. If he throws you away, hit it to the opposite field. But that's really going to help you as a hitter.